Say hi, man. Today we are doing sight word activity. Okay, Nana? Writing with candle. Writing with candle. Sight words are writing with candle. After we will do color. Okay? Observe here. Write like this. Which letter is this? Yeah. Which letter is this? Y. You also write like this. Okay, na? Right. First, start. Say letter. Say no. Very good. Next. Say loudly. Which one is that? Which side one? Very good. Take a shoe.
Say loudly.
Say loudly. Say loudly.
Good.
Which one is that? Mine. Mine. You keep up, right?
Say loudly that letter.
Which letter is that? I. What is the spelling of T? I-T? I-T? It. Take one. What is that? Which word? C-I-N? Yeah. Keep it. Color also. You have to apply after. Look here. Hey. Okay, Nana. Observe here. You also apply like this color. Okay, Nana? Okay. Salim? Now, are you looking this word? Very good. So, see, which word, Nana, this is? Which word is this? Say loudly. You? You? Are you looking this word? Okay, Nana. After water painting, this is sight word also. Okay. Okay, Nana. You also. Take this one. You do one. That's the paper.
కొంచెం ముందు.
Keep here. Good.
కప్కి
Fast. Do like this. Okay.
Zero. What is that
Are you
sight
looking
word?
that, Siddhi? Very good.
Say loudly, Siddiq.
Nana. Jivu, say loudly. Very good. Take it. Take color. Apply the blade down also.
R letter.
Here. Okay. Take. Now, which letter is that? Last letter R. You. Wait, Jyoti.
slowly, Jatin.
Take your after water paint. See this one. Which was that? Very good.